Alright everyone, here is an update for my 1966 Welbilt Super Power Master 11,000 BTU air conditioner. I sanded, primed, and painted everything that needed it on the inside, and I repainted the chassis as close to the off-white as I could originally find, as I could find to the original color. But as you can see, the front bezel of this air conditioner has definitely yellowed over the course of nearly 6 decades, so it's in stark contrast to the off-white color I painted the chassis. I had to remake the badges because the old ones were either long gone or painted over. I think I got them right for the most part. There are pictures on the Flickr album that I'm posting to the description of this video, so you can of the inside, the job I did of painting the inside. Anyway, obviously it still works fine. Still rattles a bit on startup, but it quiets down after about 15-30 seconds. Still blows ice cold once it builds up the pressure. There it goes. There we go. Yep. Might put a second coat of paint on the outside just to touch up anything I might have missed, but it's really done and ready for installation. There's the bracket for putting it in a wall, because I believe that's what it was in, because the extending brackets are missing for windows. This did not come with those, so probably just put it through another wall at some point. Oh yeah, as usual, ice cold. So there you have it. It is all set.